welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Daisy. So now we are going to Toledo City. We'll climb Mount Tagaytay, and also we're gonna do an outreach program. Right now we are riding a private car. It's about a 2 hours drive. And also ride a bus from the South Bus Terminal going to Toledo City. It would cost you 45 to 70 pesos. So yeah, let's go. Alright, so we're finally here in Barangay General Climaco. This is the drop-off point to Tagaytay Hills. First off, we're gonna do an outreach program to the students of Old Bukao Elementary School. So let's go! We will gonna register. The registration fee is 20 pesos, so it's a must. Okay guys, so padung na ta sa kailangan na atong tagaan og mga papers and stuff. Kapoy lagi kayo no? Akong magtaki. Okay guys, so we've been hiking for about 30 minutes now and still gonna look at that view. So nice.
Talk about forever, talk about the weather, to know any better. I just want to laugh until I can't breathe. Midnight moonlight dancing, never get enough sleep. Oh, the whole night through. And we could count the distance.
So we're done giving out our slippers. Now we're heading towards Tagaytay Hill. So let's go.
Salamat nga among gihatagan ninyo nga sa chinilas kay wala mo chinilas.
Eskwela gyud kag tarong hakay para next time kadako nimo kay makahatag sad ka sa
Asa ting-
asa inyong school?
Kana ito lur.
So katong so maglakaw ka dugi layo kayo.
Oh, layo kayo. Ari mo agi no? Kani dire or dito? Dito ra. Dito. Layo kayo.
Sige, thank you. 12:34 in the afternoon and we are heading to the summit ba na? Peak. Murag summit murag taas kay no.
Fake lang siya.
Sige, peak lang. So, nangaon mig saging kay ano ganit ba?
Para makagwapa daw ning saging. Di bitaw para pan sa tuhod.
Bakod
Para
tuhod?
pabakod sa tuhod.
Iya.
Okay, mga pila ta ka hours pa doon.
Mga 1 hour. 30 minutes kaya ra.
30, let's see if makaya ba na to 30 minutes. Let's go.
Ocean is my favorite lover. The sun, my beloved cure. Embracing the plunge, chasing the sun. Are my ideas of having fun. Until you came my way, didn't want me to change. Love me, just for me, enjoy my parade. You're my kind of crazy. You set my soul so free. And this might sound kind of hasty, but you and the summer are all I need. Clouds on my face.
And that's a wrap. Yeah, really enjoyed the view, the scenic view of Mount Tagaytay, the Tagaytay Hill. So now we are going to descend. Let's go. May hapon na. you want to go to Tagaytay Hills, check out Miss Beth Dacoma's Facebook page. It's
Traveler page.
yes.
You can check my Instagram. Please follow Teacher Traveler page.
Okay, thank you.
God bless. You're welcome.
Here. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm so happy that we were able to share our blessings to the less fortunate. Yeah, so it's also one of our way of giving back. And I'll see you guys on my next food, adventure, and travel vlog. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!